Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining in. I'm back. I'll just explain in the description box below, you guys. Yo, tap alone 3.3. Wow, this one is nice. Yo.
It's nice, huh?
This one is nice. Yeah. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you what they have at CTM. They really have like really nice stuff. The guy we got who's going to assist us with renovating our small bathroom suggested that we use CTM because like of their 10-year warranty. Even if anything breaks within that period of time, we can always bring it back, and they are celebrating their birthday, so some of the stuff are really reasonable. However, because this is going to be a rental for us, we won't like spend that much. I really wanted a standalone bathroom. I prayed it once we have our own home we will do that side, but we ended up taking that set with that you guys saw at the beginning of the video, the one that was by the entrance of the CTM store. I do believe that you can find or you can customize these cabinets from scratch at a cheaper price than these ones. They are expensive, I don't wanna lie, you guys, and it is not the strongest wood. It's just that it is pretty, it is modern. I love the finishing touches of blacks, but for these cabinets I didn't want to pay this price for these cabinets. They were like 3,000, 4,000, 2.8 if it's the smallest. I really do think or believe that you can customize the under-sink cabinets at a lower price. I really love these vintage ones, especially this one, this sort of bronze one, but my people were like, nope, not this one, not for us. So far, out of everything that I've seen, I like this setup, the shower, the basin, so you guys can like look at this standalone bathtub. It is really beautiful. I love the color. It is more like a marble kind of a material, but when you like feel it, it doesn't feel like marble. I hope I'm making sense. If you've ever like touched the marble, either countertop or just the basin, you'll understand what I'm trying to explain to you. I want to take this opportunity and salute people who are building from scratch. We have always lived in fixer-uppers. Some of the things we will do them ourselves. Some will ask for help like this one. We know nothing about plumbing. We know nothing about electricity. So definitely we do need someone who is more, what can I say, experienced when it comes to that. But you guys, this like the cost of this bathroom alone was way out of our budget, but I'm so glad that we are not in a rush, we are not in a competition. We always try to do things within our means. Always makes sense of it.
But lot of far on I'm a tissue.
We can pay this price.
What do you mean? So athenga amaplan kuyimalini lokhu wena kuphi ikhaphe lesu 3.2 ibhesini mix pop up com 2.2 what parts.
This is nice.
So
there's still storage. I can still put something, it's just that the machine cannot fit. But this is nice.
All the way pants.
Now I'm thinking I'll put a basket lapha.
ngaphansi ne
yeah, for dirty customize them ukuthi
i-height yakhona then
yeah.
ngenza even abasizeni besikweni
That's really nice.
If you're still watching until this far, you are my day one. I know I was supposed to show you guys the material, but I think I'll just do like a bathroom tour when it's all done. It's just the soap there. The window, because the windows have to match with other windows because it's from outside, it affects the outside part. They will remove it, we clean it, and then probably put it back if it can still fit, because as mentioned it should be the same, like uniformish. That I'm still going to ask them to remove it. I don't like it. This cabinet, if you're not new to the channel, then you know what was here. Let me just quickly try and show you. So this is the cabinet that was up there. I think I'll clean it and then we put it up somewhere, somehow. Those are going. These, some are remaining. I don't know which ones, but that one, I think it's going. Even though it's not that old, but we changed it when we moved here. And then there was a mirror there. There was just a small mirror. The toilet is still here. I want to show it to you guys. It's the toilet. And now it's not clean, like it's dusty. It's not that there's anything disgusting with it, it's just dusty. And then I'm planning on putting up the shelves here. Obviously I'm going to ask Mthabisa to do it, to put up the shelves on top of this toilet seat. We're still going to have the old bath set up. There's going to be a bath there, and then I love the bath a lot. Mthabisa prefers the shower, so we're going to have a shower that will be joined from the bathtub. I hope it makes sense. I'll show you guys maybe the progress. I'll show you the progress on another video, but I think let's just close this one for now. I was taking a bath. It's very late. It's in the afternoon, so we are using that, guys, to take a bath for now. So yeah, I'm so excited about that door, you guys. We wanted to get the sliding door, even though it's not brown. I wanted like that farmhouse brown sliding door, but we couldn't get it. Like, it was expensive. This is not our forever home, but we are planning to keep this place. The door should move from outside. I don't know, but it won't be like that one. Apparently the bathroom doors are way bigger than any normal room doors. I don't know why, but yeah, this door is still in a perfect condition. Someone can still use it. A guy that is assisting to maintain this place has asked for this door, so we're going to give it to him. Ish, now that I'm thinking about it, it's just that it's not a normal door. The girl's door has some holes. This door is going to work well there, but it's fine. I think we'll just replace the doors, like the bedroom doors. We'll replace both of them. But yes, you guys, I'm so excited. I'm using my phone to vlog. At this point, I think we need a new broom. These are his shoes, you guys. It's so nice. He's working with his wife. So the tub is in, guys. We didn't take anything complicated or expensive with the tabs. You guys will see that he has removed it. I don't know what are those poking for. And then there, the pipes have been installed. Also there, I'm trying not to show you guys the toilet. because it's still the old one. Pipes have been installed also that side, but what excites me a lot is this part. I know my machine is very old, but the machine is going to be somewhere here. That's why we're going to have a sliding door instead of this door. So a sliding door will go a bit further than this one, and then the machine will be here. Those pipes are for the machine, you guys. I'm so blessed, I'm so grateful for this, because now I can see that pipe, it goes under and then it is joined somewhere with the pipes for the bathtub. It's not going to go directly into the bathtub, the dirty water, but you can see where the pipe goes, like under the tap. So I'm very excited about that. And then here, I don't know what's happening. Yeah, but yeah, I think from now I'll show you guys the whole finished bathroom. We are going to use the tissue holder that was from here. I'm just going to spray paint it, because I checked that thing, you guys, from Checkers. It was 250 alone, and then the one for the towels was something 300 rand. So there's no way we are spending that kind of money in something that we have already, even though it's old, but still, like, it doesn't matter. I think it will look nice when it's all done. Yeah, but hopefully, like, tomorrow a lot of things will be done. The windows still need to come out, but the ceilings have been painted. Just the lights, I was not sure. I wanted to get a really nice feature for the lights, but for now we'll see, you guys. I don't know, maybe we'll put a woven basket one. I'll see with Pinterest if they do like advise to use the basket, or rather the woven light features. But yeah, this is an update so that you guys, but I'm so happy that there's so much progress from yesterday. Hey guys, so I finished washing this wall and I'm sorry about the echo. So now I want to quickly paint it and then wipe these windows, and then the rest of the room will be painted next week. But because I want the girls to sleep here, I will do what I can so that they can sleep. Now I'll just paint there and then mop the floors. I'll have to wait for my brother to help me with the furniture to put it up. But other than that, there's really not much that you are going to see in this video. Hope you are still enjoying being with me today. Please guys, please do like the video. I beg of you, please do like and comment. We are still working on the Wi-Fi issue as well. No, let me not talk too much. The sound is bad. So this is a very old clip. I just wanted to give you a bit of a background of what the girls' room look like. I thought I should insert it here so that when I'm making like a updated flat tour, you guys will get sense of everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like. See you on my next upload. Bye for now.